Welcome back, everyone. Today I'm excited to share my review with you, that is, create your first offer with AI 5-day challenge, hosted by brilliant AI pioneer and successful product creator Andrew Darius. In today's video, I will be highlight key highlights of this challenge and explore how it can help you overwhelm and overcome confusion, overwhelm, and chronic inaction to in creating and launching your offers. So let's get started. The create your first offer with AI 5-day challenge is a comprehensive platform that spans 5 days, and the create your first offer with AI 5-day challenge is a comprehensive platform that spans 5 days, packed with value and insights and practical strategies. And throughout this challenge, you will be Andrew Darius will guide you how to leverage your uh, irresistible offers and to captivate your audience and select the right niche and craft an offer that stands out from competition. Here is what you will learn inside. From day one, avoid the number one mistake when creating the offer. Your first off, you were going to tackle that snaky little issue of chronic inaction. You have right. Then, well, you will get in 90 of vigor, and finally you will tackle price too. Your first of all, pricing can be a bit of mystery, but I have got some tips and tricks that will make it breezy. And day two, big idea and $1 million pitch. First thing, you are going to love what's planned for day two. You are create your first of all with AI challenge. First thing, first we are going to chat about where you should begin and should you need to do. I know starting can sometimes feel like the hardest part, but I will be there to, I mean, Andrew Darius to there to guide you every step of the way. Creating an irresistible offers with AI. Day 3 of create your first offer with AI challenge is all about determination and attraction. And day 4, traffic secrets. You will learn, craft an offer that stands from stands out from competition. The create your first offer with AI challenge is going to be a real eye opener. I Here is the deal. 1/4 day, you have got a sweet little secret to share. And day 5, sales copy with AI. What you can expect from the create your first offer with AI challenge. Before the challenge, you will expect paralyzed by confusion about what to sell, how to package it, and how and at what price. Overwhelmed with uncertainty about where to even begin. Perplexed about which product should be the launch pad for success. Struggling to navigate the labyrinth of finding the right niche and offer. Held hostage by chronic inaction resulting in offers that never see the light of day. And after the challenge, you will be expert from this challenge, that is achieved crystal clear clarity on what to sell, how to innovatively package it, and what price tag will resonate with the target market. Secondly, equipped with a well defined roadmap and a concrete starting point, ready to embark on a successful journey. Thirdly, gained invaluable insight into identifying the perfect product for an impactful fast sale. Mastering the art of choosing the niche using a strategic process and the power of ChatGPT. And lastly, conquered the best of chronic inaction and has the first offer fully loaded and ready to launch into the marketplace. Here is everything you get when you sign up for the Create Your Fast Offer with AI. Enjoy 5 days of learning on how to leverage AI for creating irresistible offers, choosing the perfect niche, crafting a $1 million page, driving traffic to your offers without spending a dime, and mastering the art of guiding ChatGPT to write powerful sales copy in the style of renowned copywriting legends. All this while overcoming chronic inaction and getting your first or next offer ready to launch into the market worth 1995 daily. Exclusive Joylange Facebook group at no cost. It's a blazing community where you can scoop off additionally advice, build meaningful connections, and receive street food support throughout your 5 day journey of crafting irresistible AI assisted purpose. Priceless. This is the priceless. You will receive an unparalleled sales page building template designed to skyrocket the sales of your offer. This powerhouse template is geared to expedite your success, helping you reach your offer's potential at a pace 10 times faster, worth $995. One-time offer bonuses like recording the hands-on workshop on 7 AI businesses, which may bring $10,000 and $195, and recordings of the hands-on workshop on 7 ways to make your first $1,000 with Midjourney, recording of recording of workshop on how to create 100 and viral 10.5-second YouTube shorts in one short season with AI, worth $195. Limited time bonus, free all-in-one marketing platform. Here is what you get for free: page building builder for your offers, sales funnels for 3 offers with hosting, funnel support for deadlines, one-click upsells and order bumps, custom domain support, shopping cart, supporting PayPal, Stripe, Razorpay, autoresponder for 2000 contacts with unlimited email sending, affiliate program for your own offers so affiliates can promote them, support for one course with unlimited students, blog with unlimited post, unlimited file storage. Now the time to act. Join the join Create Your Fast Offer with AI today. Normally, it will come with $3,575, but you will get today. If you will act today, you will get price only $70. Won't be committed, right? But Andrew Darius give you 40-day money back guarantee and ensuring you to ample to time and evaluate the challenge and determine if it aligns for you. In conclusion, the Create Your Fast Offer with AI 5 day challenge is a game changing opportunity to conquer that your obstacles that have been holding you back from your launching your offers. And Andrew Darius, with his vast experience in digital product space and his brilliant pioneering work in AI to add a wealth of knowledge to the table. And if you are ready to break free from confusion and inaction and start building offers, irresistible offers using AI. So I highly recommending you to join this challenge. So if you are willing to get this product, do check out the official website from the first link in the description box. If you purchase from the first link in the description box, I'm going to provide you free bonus. In order to get that bonus, you can contact me on my Instagram and send me a screenshot of your purchase, and I'll send you the bonuses. So that's it. Link is in the description box. Thank you.